This is Vismaya for Feminista.com. Me and my husband Sunil have founded the Infinity Liveaboard, which is India's pioneering scuba diving liveaboard operating dive trips in the Andaman Islands. We are both passionate divers. We were among the first in the country to get into scuba diving, and for many years we took diving holidays around the world. And then we wanted to also give back to the diving community in a meaningful way. And during our travels, we saw that there are liveaboards in Maldives, in Thailand, and the best way to explore any ocean by diving is on a liveaboard. And the best divers, the most passionate divers, were always using the liveaboards for their holidays. So we thought that India also has so much to offer: the Andaman Islands, the Nicobar Islands, the Lakshadweep Islands, and a liveaboard would be the best way for divers to experience the underwater world here. I think it was on our liveaboard in Thailand that we met divers from Europe. They were from Italy and France, and we got talking to them, and they said they had been diving to so many parts of the world, and it had never occurred to them that India even has any islands. And we're trying to tell them that, look, India has the Andamans, India has the Lakshadweep, and they said they've never heard of them. And we thought that, someone really needs to put India also on the diving map of the world. And it was that conversation with the passionate European divers who said they're always looking for new dive destinations, and they would be totally open to traveling to India if there was a good infrastructure, if there was a good experience that would cater to their standards. Statistically, diving is actually as safe as bowling. Those are the statistics. For women, there is no particular extra risk. You of course learn diving by doing a PADI course, which is taught to international levels, in which you learn all the risks and how to manage it. And as long as you follow a few basic safety protocols, you are absolutely fine. Yes, don't dive when you're pregnant, but other than that, there is no special extra precaution for women. People say funny things to me all the time. People tell me funny things like I'm so scared of sharks that I feel a shark is going to come out of the shower when I'm in the bath. And I'm not impressed when I hear things like that. I'm like, a shark is definitely not going to come out of your shower head. And even if you see a shark in the ocean, you will be excited. You will not be scared. You'll be like, yes, there is a shark. Turning entrepreneurial was not easy because, then you're learning to take new risks and you have to have so much initiative. But I believe that if you want to grow, you have to step out of your comfort zone, and that's what motivated me. There are these two islands, mainly Barren and Narcondam, which are very far away from the rest of the Andamans. Barren hosts the only active volcano in South Asia, while Narcondam has an extinct volcano. These are both prehistoric, 2 million year old islands. And when we go there, it's like leaving planet Earth and just going to this completely different, otherworldly realm where it's a universe of manta rays and whale sharks and smoking volcanoes. And we dive 4 times a day from like 6:30 a.m. to night dives at 5:36 p.m. and you're just in the water, being close to nature, being in this completely wondrous natural environment, away from the cities, away from the whole man-made world. I think there comes a time in your life when you will be prepared, when you will know that you're ready to do something, to turn entrepreneurial. You will have the experience, you will have the confidence, you will know when the time is right. And when that time is right, don't hold yourself back. Just have the confidence, have the self-esteem to to go ahead and try your passions.